This is Code.org. I'm currently working on CS Fundamentals Course D, Lesson 8, Nested Loops in Maze, Part 5. This time, help the bee collect all the nectar using as few blocks as possible. And right now it says we want a maximum of 6 blocks. This is a lot of nectar. Notice too, there's a 2 next to move forward and a 2 next to repeat 5 times. That means we only should use move forward twice, but we should use repeat twice as well. So if I know that, I'm going to go ahead and click repeat down, and I'm going to slap down move forward and hit run. That should just make us, I'm going to hit a wall. Ouch. Okay. Remember, anything inside of repeat is going to run however many times it says here. So this being a square, 4 blocks, 4 sides, I'm going to go ahead and guess that that should be 4. Now, I'm going to actually, I lied. I'm going to start making this code without that to see what it looks like. So what do I want to do first? Well, first I'd want to get nectar if I reset this. Then I would want to move forward, and then I would want to get nectar. Alright, once I get that nectar, well, I'd want to move forward. And then what do I want to do? Oh, well, then I would want to get nectar. And then what would I want to do? Well, I'd want to move forward. And I think you get the picture, right? So I'm going to want to do that part, I already know, once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, right? So get nectar, move forward 4 times. So I'm going to get rid of this code, bye, and drop this in here. Change that to a 4. Let's test this out. Awesome. Oops, I hit the wall. So maybe I should get nectar. And then only do this 3 times. Let's try that. Ah, now I don't hit the wall. Okay, but I only have one more move forward. So what can I do? Well, first I know I need to turn right. So let's have us turn right. And it wants me to use another repeat block. All right. Let's put all of this in a repeat. Whoop. Okay, let's test that. Oh, and there's no more nectar. Well, what I could do then, whoop, let's flip these and have me get nectar first and then move forward once, twice, 3 times, then turn right. I don't need this get nectar. Let's test this. It's not going to work. I also need this to be a 4. But let's see where we're at. Oh, and that's why we test. Awesome. So that's what we needed. Each time this code runs, it knows run everything inside of this loop 4 times. Once. So it hits this right away and says, oh, but I need to repeat this 3 times. So I move forward 3 times. Well, first I get the nectar, then I move forward, then I hit the bottom of this pink, and I go back to the top, get nectar, move forward, hit the bottom, back to the top, get nectar, move forward, and then it says, okay, 3 times, that's 3, drops below, and I turn right. Then I hit the bottom of this code, and it runs the whole thing 3 more times. Awesome. 1 more time. That one is tricky. It's important, though, to understand how we can use loops, because we're going to be able to do some really neat stuff with this. Let's keep going.